is in Rockford. This is a derailment that just happened a little bit ago. There are 4 cars off the track. This one, obviously this one, and this one. That one over there is fine, as well as that one over there in the trees. Don't want to get too close because safety reasons, but there's one of the bogies. There's that. Just move over here. Just buried under sand or grain, ties, and rail. I assume this happened because the rail because like metal expands when it gets hot and compresses when it gets cold. So I assume the rail expanded and caused it to buckle, and it caused the rail to be just pushed out just a tiny bit, and well, and this happened. No one was hurt, it was just these cars, and still quite cool to see. Pretty sure they're uncoupling this car right here, and they're gonna pull those away, and then they're just gonna re-rail these. Still, this is just wow. This is in Rockford, Minnesota.